In this video, you will be guided through the process of replacing a mass airflow sensor on a Toyota Camry 2007. The mass airflow sensor is usually positioned close to the engine on the air intake tube or air filter housing. Refer to your vehicle service manual to find the exact location. Begin by initiating the removal process. It's essential to confirm that the engine has cooled down. For safety reasons, disconnect the negative terminal of the vehicle's battery to cut off the power supply. Next, unplug the electrical connector of the mass airflow sensor. Proceed to loosen the securing bolt of the sensor and remove the sensor from the intake tube. Moving on to the inspection phase. Check the operation of the old sensor before removal. Follow these next steps. First, connect the scan tool to the DLC3. Second, start the engine and warm it until the coolant temperature is 75 degrees Celsius 176 degrees Fahrenheit. Third, drive the vehicle at 50 kilometers per hour for 3 to 5 minutes. Fourth, allow idle for 2 minutes and perform 2 steps above at least thrice. 5. Read the long fuel trim value display on the scanner. And the value must be within -15 to +15%. If the result is not within the specific range, perform the next inspection. First, turn the ignition switch to the ACC position, then turn it on. Remember, do not run the engine. Second, connect ScanR, read MAF value on OBDI live data. Third, the standard condition is less than 0.5 G/S. If the result is not as specified, replace sensor with a new one. Inspect the new mass airflow sensor. Check for loose hoses, cracks, holes, or other new sensor damage. Next, we'll proceed to the installation step. Begin by carefully placing the mass airflow sensor into the intake air manifold, ensuring it fits snugly. Then, securely tighten the bolts to secure the new mass airflow sensor. Reconnect the mass airflow electrical connector to ensure correct operation. Finally, reattach the negative battery cable terminal to complete the installation. That concludes the complete procedure for replacing a mass airflow sensor of Camry 2007. Thank you for watching.